Hey everyone, this is Algae Research and Supply. Today we're going to be setting up our Brainy Briny and Beaker Bag kit. These kits are a really great way to investigate photosynthesis, respiration, population dynamics, and even trophic level exchange. So here I am just unboxing everything that's in the kit. We have our algae culture, our sushi stick, a pipette, some nutrients, some cysts, some salts, and obviously a instruction sheet. But I'm going to go ahead and blow up my beaker bag to make sure that the graduations on the side are accurate and add in about 450 mils of non-chlorinated water. We use RO here in the lab, but distilled spring water, anything that's non-chlorinated will work perfectly. And I'm adding in our Brainy Briny salts. These guys are going to be about 44 grams per liter, so saltier than the ocean. Then I'm going to add in my algae culture nutrients. This is a 10-1-1 for NPK. And now we have algae culturing media. So after I shake that up, it will be ready to add. So I'll be ready to add some algae in there. So the ones that we use in this lab today are as a mix of 5 different algae strains. We call this our filter feeder formula. Biodiversity is really, really important for making a resilient ecosystem. So we wanted to include as many different strains of algae as we can. The last thing I'm going to be doing is adding in our brine trim cysts. It's in a vehicle of bicarbonate, so it allows for a little bit of a carbon buffer, but I'm going to add in those cysts. It'll take about 3 days for them to hatch and start to emerge, and then they'll start to feed on the algae. That sushi stick that I have there on the left, I'm going to show you how to use it in just a second. That's actually a manual spectrophotometer. If you fold down that target to make sure that it is perpendicular to the ruler and you lower it down into the beaker bag pretty slowly, you'll see that target. Once it disappears, see where it crosses on the millimeter ruler line, and we have this nice handy dandy graph there that tells you exactly what the dry weight of algae is just within a couple of seconds. So this is what our bag looked like about 1 week later, and all those little bubbles swimming around are little larvae.